This video shows how to buy shares of One Liberty Properties, Inc. How to buy shares of One Liberty Properties, Inc. One Liberty Properties is a real estate company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OLP. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify the account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker OLP to find the listing. Select the result that matches One Liberty Properties, Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to check recent movement. Confirm you have the correct One Liberty Property stock before proceeding. Click Invest. Choose how much to put in, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be confirmed. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.